The silent power of the high-value man. Why pulling back triggers deep attraction there. As something most men completely overlook, but it's time to wake up to a truth that will change how you approach women forever. The more detached and focused you are on your mission, the more she notices. And no, this isn't about playing mind games or being emotionally cold. It's about understanding how modern attraction works and why your energy, when withdrawn, becomes magnetic. We live in a world where women are constantly bombarded with attention, likes, comments, emojis, text after text. So when you're the man who doesn't participate in that noise, you immediately stand out. When your world doesn't orbit around her, when she feels that you're not chasing her approval, it hits different. You become the anomaly, the mystery, the challenge. This video is not about pretending to be uninterested. It's about becoming a man so invested in his life, goals, and mission that women naturally want to be part of your world, not the other way around. Let's break down the 7 powerful shifts that make you unforgettable in her mind and impossible to ignore. Key number 1, control. Your attention is your power. The second you give it away freely, you lose leverage. A woman can feel when she's become the center of your universe, and ironically, that's when she starts pulling away. You think you're being sweet with all those texts, compliments, check-ins, but to her, you're just another guy trying too hard. Attraction doesn't thrive on comfort. It thrives on tension, curiosity, and the unknown. When your attention is constantly on her, she doesn't have to earn it. It feels unearned, and what feels unearned is never truly valued. Instead, shift your focus. Pour your energy into your health, your money, your passions, your purpose. Suddenly, she feels the shift. She wonders where your mind is. She questions. Her hold over you. That curiosity is the spark of real attraction. Be unpredictable. Delay your replies. Say less. Move with purpose. When she feels your absence, she starts craving your presence. That's when you win. Key number 2, be comfortable with losing her. Here's why most men fail. They're terrified of letting go. That fear controls them. They tolerate disrespect, chase after clarity, and cling to a connection that's already dying. But the truth is, the moment you fear losing her, you've already lost yourself. And women can smell that desperation. A woman doesn't fall for the man who needs her. She falls for the man who's okay without her. The man who walks away calmly, confidently, when he's not being valued. Detachment is power. You're not walking away to manipulate. You're walking away because you refuse to beg. That's what makes her reconsider everything. That's when she starts second-guessing her own decision. She realizes you're not like the other guys who folded under pressure. If she wants to come back, let her do it on her own. But you don't chase. You don't plead. You live. Either she matches your energy, or you make space for someone who will. Key number 3, don't try to impress her. Too many men are stuck in performance mode. They throw out compliments like candy, name drop their accomplishments, flex on social media, and try to show off everything they've got, but women see right through it. The second it feels like you're trying to impress, it loses its impact. Real confidence is silent. It doesn't seek validation. It is validation. Instead of putting her on a pedestal, be the man who is enough as he is. When you talk, talk with substance. When you show up with presence. Don't brag. Let your life speak for itself. That subtlety, that grounded confidence makes her lean in. She wants to discover who you are because you're not forcing it on her. Remember, you are not a performer. You are the stage. She's not the prize. You both are. Act accordingly. Key number 4, don't chase her emotions. Here's where a lot of guys lose frame. A woman pulls back, gets distant, acts moody, and he panics. He texts more. He asks what's wrong. He tries to fix her energy. That's emotional chasing, and it screams insecurity. You're showing her that your peace depends on her mood. That's not strength, that's weakness. Women test men emotionally, not always on purpose, but instinctively. They want to see if you're solid or if you crumble. A high-value man does not react, he mirrors energy. If she's distant, he gives space. If she's moody, he doesn't take it personally. He stays grounded. This makes her feel safe. It makes her respect you. And most of all, it makes her realize how much she values your energy when you don't force it. Let her feel your calm. That calm is louder than any reassurance you could ever give. Key number 5, make her earn your attention. Your attention is currency. And when you give it to women for free, before they've shown interest, effort, or respect, you devalue yourself. A woman values what she works for. When she has to earn your attention, it feels meaningful. But when you're constantly available, texting first, double texting, always complimenting, you become just another guy. You're not cold or rude, you're selective. If she's flaky, you disengage. If she's inconsistent, you don't reward it. You respond with class, but you don't chase. That restraint creates tension. That tension fuels attraction. When a woman feels like she's had to earn your time, that's when she respects it. That's when she sees you differently. And that's when she realizes you're not like the others. Key number 6, stay busy and focused. Trio masculine energy doesn't sit around waiting for texts. It's in the gym, it's building businesses, it's mastering skills. A man with purpose radiates a different type of energy. He's not ignoring her to be cold. He's just busy. His life is full. His schedule is packed. And ironically, that makes every moment he gives her more valuable. It creates scarcity. It builds desire. When you're not available 24/7, she starts wondering where you are, who you're with, and what you're building. Your distance creates presence, and that's the kind of presence that turns heads. Don't fake it. Live it. Build a life so full that she has to earn her place in it. Key number 7, move in silence. Speak with results. Men who constantly broadcast their feelings, intentions, or next moves lose their mystery. And mystery is power. You don't need to explain why you didn't reply right away. You don't need to post every moment of your life online. Let your silence do the talking. Let your progress make the noise. When you disappear to work on yourself, when you pull back and elevate, she notices. She starts watching. She starts questioning. That's when your absence starts doing what your presence never could. It forces her to feel. The man who doesn't explain, doesn't beg, doesn't justify, that man becomes unforgettable because he shows, he doesn't tell. And women don't. Forget the man who moved like a mystery and left them wondering. Final thoughts. Be the man who doesn't chase. Be the man who's chosen. This is your wake-up call. Stop scrambling for validation. Stop over-explaining. Stop pouring your energy into women who haven't earned it. Pull back. Get focused. Build your body, mind, and income. Let your silence speak. Let your absence be felt. And watch as the same women who once pulled away start circling back. Not because you chased them, but because they realized you were the one who got away. You are not here to beg for attention. You are here to command it. Now move accordingly.